To begin using ChatGPT, you'll first need an account. Head to chat.openai.com and click sign up. You can use an email address or sign up for your Google or Microsoft account. Once you've verified your email, you'll be asked to add your name and confirm your date of birth. After that, you're in. When you open ChatGPT, you'll see the main chat window front and center. At the bottom is the message box where you type your question or request. This is called your prompt. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with all your previous chats. Each conversation is saved automatically. To start fresh, click New Chat at the top of the sidebar. This gives you a clean space with no previous context. Simple but powerful way to stay organized. As your list of conversation grows, you might need to find something quickly. Use the search chats bar, type in keywords or look in the list. It's a bit like searching old emails, helping you find past ideas or drafts without scrolling endlessly. Next, you'll notice the projects feature. Projects lets you group multiple related chats and files together. For example, business projects with several chats about lessons, scripts, images, and even ideas. Tidy workspace that keeps everything in one place, especially useful for longer term work. Sometimes you'll want to tidy up. Hover over a chat title in the sidebar and click the three dots. Here, you can rename, move to a project, and even delete. Renaming helps future you remember what's inside. Deleting helps keep your workspace uncluttered. There's also an option called temporary chats in the top right. These are private sessions that don't save to your history. Perfect for quick one off tasks, maybe testing a prompt or drafting a reply you don't need to keep. Once you close the window, the conversation disappears. Finally, let's look at upgrading. Click the upgrade button in the bottom left. Here, you can compare features between free and ChatGPT Plus. The Plus plan, paid monthly, gives access to the most capable model, priority access during busy times, and faster performance. If you rely on ChatGPT for daily work, it's often worth the upgrade. And that's it. You've now explored everything from signing up, managing your workspace, and even subscription.